this is Ayin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another summer makeup look for you guys, but this time it's more glowy, it's more bronzy, it's more on the sun-kissed kind of look because I'm loving my color right now. I really am like 1 or 2 shades darker kasi nga 3 weeks ago, nagpunta kami sa beach. I vlogged about it a bit. So, in-upload ko na rin yun. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it. You can watch it later. Pero we just went on a short vacation sa Batangas. Kaya, yung skin ko ngayon is darker than before. So, I mentioned naman in my first summer makeup look that I'm gonna do more summer looks, or not sure if this is the last, but here you go. Here's another summer makeup look for you guys, which is simpler, pero more glowy and more summery. Diba? So, yun. If you guys wanna know how I did this makeup look, first, I would appreciate if you guys will hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll get notified whenever I post new videos and so that you'll be part of our clique here. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this sun-kissed, glowy kind of makeup look, then just keep watching.
Dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight. Done my hair up real big, beauty queen style. High heels on, I'm feeling alive.